It's Scentsy Whiff Box time. So if you're excited to see what they put in this month's collection for June 2026, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's over there just watching me. And Chloe is working on some studying. It is finals week. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun, fashion, beauty, snacks, pet treater stuff. If you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Scentsy Whiff Box is part of the Scentsy collection, and you never know what you're going to get. Could be cleaning supplies, could be bath supplies, could be just new smells. So let's see what's in this month's collection. Here, oops, is a little sneak peek. In the Meadow is the theme, and it says silky grass, verdant clover, flowers nodding in every bright color. June's Whiff Box gathers the essence of a blooming meadow, sweet florals, sweet fruits, and a special surprise to bring it all indoors. We have 3 car smelly things in the scent Luna, and I don't know what that smells like. Can't smell it through the plastic. I thought they were going to something where they were putting like the scent notes on there for you, but I'm not really seeing that. Then we have our star of the show, and this is one of their wall mini warmers. This is in Floral Fields. It looks like it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And these are nice anywhere where you have a higher plug. So you're just going to plug it into your wall. Again, you've got your little, I don't want to take that out quite yet, but, and you just let it sit there. You're going to put your wax melts right on the top, and they just so happen to send us 3 bricks. We have Dancing Magnolias, Magnolia, Strawberry, and Vanilla. Wow. And peaches. Also delicious. And then red, white, and sparkle, which is berries, sugared plum, and vanilla. This is going to be my favorite. I can tell just by the description. It smells like a fruit salad. All right, so tell me your thoughts. What did you think? Did they nail it? I think this is so super cute. And this is definitely going to go right in the kitchen. And this is definitely going right in there. Although the other 2 smell good, this one is my favorite. All right. Well, let me know your thoughts down below. Does this speak to you for In the Meadow? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, we'll see you soon.